If you want to learn, read and write a chess game, then this is the video for you. Welcome to Chess Academy, and I will teach you the official language of chess. In this video, you will learn how to read and how to write a chess game. I have divided this video into several points, around 8 to 10 points, and we'll begin with the first point, that is rank and files. So ranks are the horizontal lines on a chessboard. If I say third rank, then this line is the whole third rank. If I say sixth rank, then this whole line is the sixth rank. If I say 8, then this is the 8th rank. It's quite simple. And also, like all the other numbers, 5, 4, 2, 1 are also ranks. Next I'll teach you files. So files are the vertical lines on a chessboard. What do I mean? Example, if I say G file, then this whole line upside is the G file. If I say D file, then this whole line is your D file. If I say A file, then this whole line is the A file. Now let me explain how to name the squares. Ranks and files are quite simple. I'll teach you how to name the squares now. If you have ever been to a chess tournament, you must have heard lines like D4, F5, E6. So what are these? So let me explain. If we say E6, then E stands for the file here and 6 stands for the rank. So if you see, there's both meet at a certain point. This certain point is the name of the square E6. If I say C1, then this C file and the rank 1, this square meets here is the C1 square. Quite simple. Okay, in the comment section let me know which square is this. Alright, okay, so the next thing I'll teach you is names of chess pieces. How do you write the names of chess pieces? Okay, let's start with the rook. If you have not seen the previous beginner video, then do watch that, because that is needed before you understand this. So the rook stands for a capital R, the knight stands for a capital N, the bishop stands for a capital B, the queen stands for capital Q, the king stands for capital K. A common problem is that people think that this king and the knight both are denoted or called by K. That is not true. To avoid problems, I'm telling you that this knight is called by N and this king is called by K. Okay. Now I'll teach you how to write pawn moves. Okay. So let's say if white plays here, so this will be E4 because this pawn was on the E file here and it's come on the 4th rank. So this square is E4. You just have to write the name of the square where the pawn has arrived. That's all. Okay. Let's say black plays D5. Now this will be called as D5 because it's on a D file and on the 5th rank. So if the pawn, the white pawn, wants to capture this pawn, then how do we write that? Captures are always written with X. Let me show you. Let's say if this pawn captures this pawn, then this will be written as E, the position of the pawn, the location, X, that is the capture, and where it has arrived. So basically the previous location, X for the capture, and the new location. Alright, let's say if black plays this, that is C6, and if white captures this, then comment down how will be this written as. Okay, next. Let's say in this position it's black to move and black play this move, queen here. So how do we write this? First of all, it's a queen, so we have to write q and the location of the square. The location of the square is h4 and currently it's a check. So check to the king. So how do we write this? So it will be queen, that is q, the location h4 and check with a plus sign. That's all. QH4 plus. Okay, so let's take a look at a real game example so you will understand better. Okay, so let's say white starts with e4, the location of the square. Obviously pawns don't have any names, hence only the location of the square is written. So e4, e5. Now this knight here. So how to write this? The name of the knight, that is n, and the location of the square, it's f and 3. So knight f3 will be written as nf3. Okay, this will be n, the c file, and the 6th rank. So it's nc6. This is bishop, so b to c4, that is the c file and the 4th rank. d6, that is the pawn, the location of the pawn. d4. Now this. So how to write this? It will be as the pawns of the location of the pawn, that is e, captured in written by x, and the pawn it has captured d4. So it will be written as exd4. Now this is called as castling, which is explained in my previous video, so go check out that so you will understand chess more better. So how to write castling? Castling is written as 0 dash 0. I repeat, 0 dash 0. Okay, next let's say bishop e7, b, that is bishop to the square e7. Okay, quite simple. I will recommend you to check out a real written game so you will understand more better. I'll be removing the next part of this video in where I'll be explaining n-pass and other different rules. Alright, I thank you for this video, and thank you for the video, and I am giving you a final test that explain and comment in the comment section that what will this be written as. Alright, thank you for watching. There are other 2 videos on my channel. Go and look out that so you will understand chess more better. Alright, bye bye, thank you. Do share, like, subscribe and comment of all the tests I have given you.